Kani kadai ke Batisi TV. Bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasngi belawan rasyapi da ka rupa. Bapentingan bat penbha.
Komisi benta jongga Jingrwai yak lengko shipau snem jongga Jingshakri Lyngba ke Jingrwai yaro. Ka Kynhun tem mane haka arpunyo tarik urisau kala play yak jing sedang jonggi program beper ki banyai baro shi snem kenti. Daka concert kabalalong ha Madan student jayau. Laban kedau hang ni badai haus nem arajar pra haba katto kaningut ki Jingrwai nong tem kilaya lumlang ban perkhat syapang ke jingdon jongga Kynhun Jingrwai kaban trei bat ai Jingshakri Lyngba ke Jingrwai yero bat mane rengkat bat kiwei de ki sapen i lane ki performing arts kakam ka bakongsan jongga ni ke Kynhun kalong ban yalam ya ke jingyero bat jingmani Lyngba ki praise festival bat kiwei pat ke jingyaseng praise and worship. Hagajo kapor kakam jonggani ke Kynhun kalong ru ban hikai syapang ke jingyero bat jingmani Lyngba ki seminar bat workshop bat ru ban yalap bat sakhi Lyngba ki Jingrwai lani ki music evangelism hagi balang ki school ki college university bat ru Lyngba ki social media. Kani ke Kynhun mani kala sedang ban trai ya kakam kabadon kita ki jingtmu Lyngba ka bor jong Blei ubala play ya ki lat ban ya trai lang bat ki balang ki district ki presbytery KGP Synod samla sepngi bat mi ngiru bat kerpang bat ka urban mission KGP Synod sepngi bat ki wei ki seng kum ka gospel mission society bat ka reach Shillong ministry.
Even with your broken heart and your wounds and your scars, God's not done with you. Even when you're lost and it's hard and it's falling apart, God's not done with you. It's not over, it's only begun. So don't hide, don't run, 'cause God's not done with you. He's got a plan, this is part of it. He's gonna finish what he started. He's got a plan, this is part of it. He's gonna finish what he started. He's not done. God's not done.